Yeah, 2028. No prophetic words from any pastor at all. 2028. No prophetic words from any pastor at all. The person in catch Ghana for say 2024. Na person John Dramani Mahamamba. Enuti yantu abantia MP bia. Inti sa ya MP. Na pastor be bagina say na 2020 oba wini obua 2028.
Abuzavo mamunyina makwa about the Ghanaian and TV so. But one more like video, subscribe to the channel, no attend notification. But next time, videos of this nature about some sabit makabi. Now watch our comment section. So the munyina when me from Mr. President, Madaroma, if by chance it may when you feel impressed with our works. Na person of boy may set your studio ya ni idea. But your number and that's a bit my reach out to you. In some kind of episode maybe any budget plan better was so. Because this is the most active pro-NPP platform on social media. And the BR said the end of on back to back, sir. Tim will be a part of this family, support us, and we'll be so much grateful. Now, Busunya baby will be a home video and watch out to say Adudi Nyame is working. Aye, Adudi Nyame is working. Now, Zongo boys be ne some other guys be a 2024 omuyi omoyem 2 omunsiwo. It try you run another than go for the friend. A friend dear Cassia, a friend dear a shen and ya was social media. And then the confusion is your montemo. I confusion change pass your montem. It been promo young cook any my hermene. Now confusion is your montem, and I say. And nay ya you run another than go for any a bem or what in a fee. You run another than go for the Dr. Lajma Mood Baumia. In your bemo makotene fi jo mahomeno afeno you mu yewura John Domani mamumu say oma tomo color TV akoto black and white I say oma tomo kenti papi akoto broni wo atade na on say emre wo ye ninka so ana say mere twem ho ntimi ndane sam ko achi ti si oma tata no mo ye blame games we blame we na we blame we no blame we adudi nyankopon pe ne betima isade we nipa bi antimi nye de bon hu de ro Ghana for say Ghana for yero John Dramani Mahama mu hu ne sande bukat ne zamamu enyenyenyenyenye fara mamu enyenyenye montie yen ene confusion si omontem abuso se meka say yawa mo me enko he video ne mra enko ba bia o ye wie ba me sa be kire madwo ha enko ba mra
Yeah, 2028. No prophetic words from any pastor at all. 2028. No prophetic words from any pastor at all. The person in catch Ghana for say 2024. Na person John Dramani Mahamamba. Enuti yantu abantia MP bia. Inti sa ya MP. Na pastor be bagina say na 2020 oba wini obua 2028. No prophetic words. We are going to vote according to what? How you are ruling your people. You better abase that it unim now kodi pastor bi etia master ubelusu sikana waboa to onu fa pie na gada fo ento ababa anya sa unai be hu kana na so woni be hu kana na so unai de endu hoda jamama ko jamama na enya epe o oko nam jamama ntini ya to obama mu MPs ni bi iti mi ka kire mu 2028 jakpata bada ti wenya ku ni onye kore ni tepokpoga mi amaro nyama mi ankoyogo agare ala homonami mi ridogui na bi ade gadogu ya mi roto muda munya di amenisu ya beye juwa ti se ponko bye yo fiti ene 21st March 2026 echo minimum yenyan easy. And then 21st March 2026 minimum yenyan easy. Meka no kwene tiamu NDC for wallahi. Sabusi musamu yadin. Sabusi musamu yadin. NDC for sabusi ya POP wallahi. And then 21st March 2026. And then meka sema ebe tiamu because moi mon POP. Ye juma mamwa. Mo de ko mu fie. Ane mo busuafo ane edi. Ya kwasi adwuma no o ma bi ndi. Fiti ene ko mi exdo, ye fa mi exdo. Madina Zongo Jashi taxi driver. Ena ma NDC campaign ti ma to mi taxi mienu. Ene mi ti fie. Ene meka nsem bia munti asieda. Ene 21st March 2026. This am kumi. Mi fi anlo. Mi fi anlo. Okumia, your 3 boys, 1 girl. Fitieneko, make a set tiamu. Fitieneko, wallahi, make a set tiamu NDC for. Because, jumano, umaendi, Papa Yeshua, born in Yajifi. The wages of sin is death. The consequences of agumapalism, a crab as not climajalism. Na roja onare, na hulagalago, na ronya onare, na dauko for 4 days. No do NDC pawu. Ado trouser aba toro moto ala somebody eta afuena nya manyami ko mia oponu mami koru ya kamo mienya chogbaji ko ya mami criticize girl madina fia wallahi fiene ko mabomutuo pay o madina say bye bye
Ghana fo asabi ye mu fa kase si ye nsua nyansa adwumanie Mete santasi apre bebu adumasa me faka previous government na ye 5 cities ene metua 6 cities fuwe ko form emfa so de ben pa na manya Ghana fuwe ko form empaboa ani ye tonu 200 cities ene ye 300 ni ade dollar ko form fa so de ben na de abrami timamuni fa so de ben ya ma menom Nano dami hu say ye maame no ma wo vote abubo kojan adaya education minister Haruna Idrisu ji omoma 2000 BC John Mahama emphasis kan kom ministry ho si emfam pretend kranta ma mumma enya so nso hwe no na Haruna Idrisu akoton na nantwie ohun na ono wo nanyinsen wo ba no waton na nantwie ana waton ni fie ye ne mada chi ani daso e de akoya printing ama o ma akotworo nyasa ena mo pese mo gu papa na adwuma a wo ye ni ma de adwuma na mahama wo ye oba ye wo hye mu ka se no aduane ma ye o ye de adwuma ana John Mahama ka se wo de anantwie ni mponche be ye nkwan ama ye nua no ma ekọ secondary school mu nkobusa nkora no so oba ye nkora no no mayi aponche nkwan propaganda say ya propaganda ube konzongo no ono nko a ni pickups be nsia na sisi wo na wo de atwe esrema na nantwie ne mponche ne nwan na nkwada no mu bi wo ho enya ni omumfo mabrabonye ebinim adane cigarettes smokers we smokers drunkards ni omu gugu ho ebinim twe atuo ni akogina kwan mu eno no omu pe o si ye de ye party nie on kanyansa sambia nkyere sa akra no aban ne mra no ono nko an personal interest NDC fo dodo na atiri mu po ne o ma adwene no a o de ti krom ha yiti krom ha ni ya hyehyɛ jalabia ni ya confuse nkorai dabi aban ne ba no ono nko a ti minim obi krom ha me district ya asesa ne manyina akogu abrochire enkoda e won zongo ho nyina anonum wi ne tramo asai because omo abatan no eni adwene ne mama na ewo krom ha aka na ya bie store no musisi ya no ne mama ya manyina gu abrochire zongo ho nkwada nyina anonum cigarette wi ne yayi jotonom asai personal interest. Aban yo beba be yen hyehyeye na be benefit o man nyina da bi o mompe. Aha. Aban sa de oye kohwini wonya adwuma da bi aban yo beba na nkwade kotwuro BC omu betua 0 cedis Ghana fo mpe fasika no ma no no mfa ntu ne botomuni. Dine wa sorry uti se dwanini twe camera si ne ho so da bia ye sopa ayi mutaka ye dey recruitment be na course a NDC mpanimfo with the vice ne president yo sisu enyawe mutaka SYZ TV ni ya sorry moga binum ne ho anom asori da bia da mutaka ye mudai otomode ya wantua mogabi yenyi atiti bini minister wokurum ha umeko journalism 3 years ni ma wayi ministerial appointment unya wate unya yama okaba akubi dem ama ofie ba akubi aka wanu tum net na ho na atiti bini minister ni kurum ha aha zumi lion de yeso ye de ama yi ti unya na mumu omudin na ade adwuma ana papa na adwuma opese waye ana opese ogu na nimu ase di adwuma na mahama ba ye wo ye yato akuafo kokoko bepem na akuafo nya sika kura de to aduane adi we ni adwuma no di adwuma na John mahama ba ye wo ye montu abama abanya asabi na nhihye ye benya effect ni nsunsanso wo mo mada ache so mo ahiafo mo seda e na odi ko gya bokum o ye me kwaku yebo a me ba kro gina crèche sika kura me tua ne fees ya che obi ba okọ university me wo ye me ohun osere onto aba ya nto aba na yaka ya party on se mo bere grassroots fo mo bere wan ko school o tigato ne ye be fa awo enke ye nkoma wo pane ye ne kowo obi kunu wo ho na ye mfa amadwuma be na wokurum ha 24 hour economy na ba ye adwuma na wo wi ni ye be fa wo gato ya mo adwuma adwuma de bi wo kurom ha bebere si go so kwan no so start free yi mankra so dokopia yi emem si so dokopia emem wie na ba gi sika o me ho usimu nsua nyansa se oman
Okuje to Ablakwa, very reckless guy. I don't know why your mama appointed him. Say onkonkoye a foreign affairs minister. Yenti okuje to.
Well, everybody knows that Ghana has a defense cooperation agreement with the US, approved by our parliament, and not only with the US, but with many other strategic partners, including the UK, a number of Gulf states. We do these things in our strategic national interest, and we are also careful to draw the lines. And so there's a red line. We do not accept military bases in our country. And I'm sure that what is happening in the Middle East now vindicates Ghana's position. We have historically prevented Western powers from establishing military bases in our country. And I believe that those who initially were not sure why Ghana was very stern about this position now appreciate that. Having said that, we also take the view that any cooperation, any intervention must be on a case-by-case basis, and there has to be express approval. So the recent attacks in Nigeria, the Nigerians will confirm to you that they invited the Americans, and they also reached out to Ghana to collaborate.
The Nigerians?
Yes, both the Nigerians and the Americans. So that's how we are playing this out. Sovereignty has to be respected, territorial integrity has to be respected. You must be invited, and we must all agree on the scope of the intervention, because we do not want this to lead to another Venezuelan situation or some other, geopolitical matter, because sovereignty is important, territorial integrity is important. We must know exactly what the scope is, what you are coming to do, the nature of the intervention, it's very, very important. I mean, our citizens will not forgive us, and legitimately so.
You're right. He has zero knowledge what international relations and diplomacy. He's only using mere words. And I'm speaking to you as an expert of international relations and diplomacy. So territorial integrity is important. Sovereignty is important. Is important. But if territorial integrity is important, sovereignty is important. How does that even fit into the argument you've made to the point that diplomatic arrangement between two states and